Hey everyone, Kevin Mangum here, and today what we're going to do is show you how to set your home page in Google Chrome. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and open Google Chrome, and then in the upper right hand corner you're going to click the three vertical dots, scroll down to Settings, click on that. Alright, then you're going to scroll to the very bottom of Settings. Alright, and from here I'm going to make an adjustment here. Alright, so what you're going to do is you'll notice that by default, when you open Chrome, it'll just open to a new tab or something like that. You can go ahead and click where it says open a specific page or set of pages. Alright. Moment. Okay. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and click add a new page. If you already had a website set to your home page, then you could select edit and change the page that way. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and set the home page to google.com, and then click add. Alright, now it's set as the home page. I'm going to go ahead and close it out. Alright, so when I open it, it has Google as the home page. Alright, so what we're going to do is, just so you can see how it works if there's already a page set, I'm going to click on those three dots once more, click on Settings, scroll to the bottom. Alright, see how Google is already there. I'm going to click the three dots over here to the right, select edit, and then I'll just change it to my home page and click save. Alright, close it out. And now when I reopen Chrome, it's set to my home page. Okay. Alright, so that's how you change, how you set your home page in Google Chrome. If you have any more questions, just let me know. You can go to my site called AskKevinTechStuff.com, and you can also find me on Facebook as well. Alright, thank you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a good day and take care.